What's the meaning of agritourism? Agritourism. 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 Agritourism refers to the act of visiting agricultural farms, ranches, and vineyards for recreational purposes and educational experience. It can also involve participating in farm-related activities such as fruit picking, animal feeding, and cheese making. Agritourism is gaining popularity as it provides an opportunity for city dwellers to experience rural life and gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for agriculture. It also benefits the farmers as it generates additional income and promotes their products. Overall, agritourism is a unique and enriching way to experience agriculture while supporting local farmers and communities.